Okay, turns out that this Allen key does just reach there. I chickened out too early, and so I'm going to loosen that. It's going to fall out if I stick this guy out. Long one. And this guy out. Also a long one. I set these down here. And then a skinnier bit. Which is over here. Oh. I'm mortally terrified of stripping hex bolts, especially those that are so inaccessible. You can imagine that it would be just impossible to get this guy out of it. But fortunately, that doesn't take much doing. And the last bolt, which I left hanging over here. And voila. This is also a very long bolt, and it's captive here, this one, this skinny one. But the big one, and there's no easy way to get it out, I guess. I don't need to, so I'm not going to bother. But I should label these other fellows, which I'm going to do in a moment.